Returning to the cult classic Giant Citizen Kabuto and have GTD game data files, these contain assets from this unique 2000 Planet Moon title. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Giant Citizen Kabuto game data files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust GTD file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. A data file used by the classic third-person shooter, Giant Citizen Kabuto. Users typically encounter this file when trying to modify game assets, install custom content, or troubleshoot game errors. It contains essential game information, such as models, textures, or level data, critical for the game's operation. This is a proprietary binary container format designed by Planet Moon Studios. It packages various game assets into a single file for efficient loading and access by the game engine. The binary structure is optimized for performance, reducing disk read times during gameplay by grouping related data together. For comprehensive file management, GTD relies on Giant Citizen Kabuto developed by Planet Moon Studios. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows cannot inspect bundled game resources, so specialized extraction applications must be used. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your GTD file, then click Open With. Test. Giant Citizen Kabuto if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. If you are still having trouble opening the GTD file, do not worry. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, using modding community tools. Download community-developed extraction tools from gaming preservation sites like ModDB or specialized Giants fan communities. These tools open GTD archives, extracting assets for modding work or asset preservation. The Giants modding community has developed various utilities over the years for accessing the game's data files. Next, QuickBMS scripts. Try QuickBMS with community-developed scripts for Giant Citizen Kabuto. The QuickBMS script repository may contain parsers for Planet Moon's archive format. Download relevant scripts and run QuickBMS pointing to the script and your GTD file to attempt extraction without specialized tools. Finally, Hex Editor Investigation. For research purposes, use HXD or 010 editor to examine GTD file structure manually. Compare findings with documentation on game preservation wikis to identify the format structure. This analysis enables custom tool development for accessing this classic game's content for preservation or modding purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.